In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and download the Clickbank mobile app. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is what the Clickbank mobile app does look like, guys. Once you have downloaded it, you will be able to use it as you would on a normal desktop. So how you go ahead and download it, if you go back, and I will just delete this for a second here. And a lot of people do not know, but Clickbank is now an app on your Play Store. So if you go ahead and you can click and search for Clickbank, as you can see right there at the top, Clickbank affiliate app, and if you click on that, what that will do is it will bring this page up here, and obviously you can click on install just like any other app, and it will only take a couple of seconds to go ahead and go through the process and fully install. And then once it's done that, you can click on open, and then as I've said, you can go ahead, click on accept here. And as you can see, it's a Clickbank mobile app. Obviously it has got adverts and things like that. So once you've gone through the advert, you can click on skip and then close that down, and then you can use it and you can sign in and you can promote your affiliate offers through your Clickbank app on your mobile. So that's how you go ahead and download it, guys. It's just that simple. So if this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.